That day started out really well. We were on the way to the match. Everyone was in a good mood. It was a great match and we won, but when we got back home...
Dad asked me to wait in the living room and phone Mum and tell her about the eviction notice and ask if I could stay. So suddenly I'm back with Mum. She said we'd manage, but I wasn't sure we would. That's why I had to leave Mum's before. So I went to the guidance at school to ask for advice, and they told me about the breakfast club and food bank. Getting help is nothing to be embarrassed about, but other people can try and make you feel that way.
I tried not to let it get to me, just focused on moving back in with Dad. I knew he was trying to sort things out, but it was hard. They just kept going on day after day and it got worse. So I spoke to the teacher again and, well, they tried to sort it out. He got suspended, really wasn't happy when he came back. So this time the school got us to try talk things out. Again, that didn't really work. It's not as if we just shake hands and be friends.
Mostly now we just try to ignore one another. Dad managed to get more hours at work though, so he got in our place. I'm back with him but still popping by to see Mum. We all need a helping hand now and again. It's not that the problems disappear, but now it's not all at once, so it's easier to deal with.